Guys, this is Godly Gamer. We're back with another video. This time I'm gonna be making some cinnamon rolls. This is gonna be part 1 because you need 2 days to make it. So yeah, watch and enjoy. Okay, so what we need for the day 1 process is some active dry yeast, some sugar, salt, 1/3 of a cup of melted butter, and all-purpose flour. We also need 1/2 cup of warm water, at least like 100 to 110 degrees, and same thing for milk. And we also need 1 egg. Okay, so for the yeast, for the first step, you have to have 2 and 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. So 2 and 1/4, and mix them until they get dissolved. So get a mixing spoon and just mix them until the yeast gets dissolved into the water. So after you mix it, it should be like this. It should have no cube-like structures in them of the flour or dry yeast. Nothing should be visible, just water and dissolved yeast. And you just put this aside, and we're on to the next step. Mix the liquid butter into the warm milk and stir until they go together, and then you're on for the next step. The next step is you take a large mixing bowl, have 1/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, the liquid butter and the milk, which is together. Just mix it before you put it in. Drop it in. And you need an egg. Crack the egg and just, not like that. Take a whisk and start whisking. Combine the whole mixture, what you just put into the mixing bowl, and make sure it becomes like this. And you're on for the next step. You're gonna need 2 cups of flour, the all-purpose flour. Put it in, and that's 1 cup. So let's get another cup. So anytime now. Okay, 2nd cup here. And wow, the whisk fell in, but it's alright. So we mix, and you're ready for the next step after you're done mixing. After you've mixed everything and it looks like this, you have to add the yeast slowly and mix it at the same time. So you gotta mix it. But take a wooden spoon this time, whisk won't work. So you just mix it until you get it really, really smooth. And then once you get it smooth, you're on for the next step. After you've mixed the yeast, it should be like this. And you need to add some more, like the remaining 2 cups of dough or flour. You just keep on adding it until you get it smooth, not dough-like yet, just smooth. Just keep on adding until you finish the whole dough. So just keep on adding it. And just keep on adding it. 3rd time here. I recommend like a small, medium-sized spoon because you need a little each time. So just mix it. And once you're done mixing it, you're on for the next step. Now after you get it to be a little dough-like, you can start mixing it with your hands. And if needed, you can add a little bit of water, like just a tap or something. So yeah, just mix it until it's dough-like. It has to be not sticky, but soft. So once it's soft, you're on for the next step. Once you have the dough ready, you can put it onto the table and just make it into like a circle. Yeah, this is not a circle, but alright, it's okay. So netting process. So first you have to take the top part of the dough, place it, fold it down, push forward, turn it 90 degrees. Do the same thing again. And then after it looks like all folded and stuff, make it a circle again. Oval is also okay, it doesn't have to be a circle. So, yeah. Keep on doing this process for 3 to 5 minutes, and then you're on for the next step. So after you've netted the dough and everything's finished, you have to like roll it up into a ball. So it has to have like a smooth texture, like this. Smooth texture right here, just like that. And you have to store it for tomorrow. That's the end of part 1. So yeah. So after you're done, you mixed everything and it's a ball shaped right now. But as I showed you before, store it in a Ziploc bag for tomorrow. And that will be the end of today, day 1.